Okay, so this is the Wyze Cam that will work with Alexa, and I just got it from Amazon. So let's see. Okay, so it comes with the micro USB cable, a sticker. Actually, this one is about 1.5 inch. A magnet, I think, and a power block. So let's see. It does come with the quick start guide. So if you pull this out, and this is what it is. So they have a speaker on the bottom here, and USB, and also the micro USB, micro SD card. That's the one there. So let's look at the quick start guide, see how we hook it up. The instruction here is to push its button. We're plugging the power. Now we're going to push. So we got to push the button here. Okay. Go to the App Store. I'm not sure which one it is, but I think this might be the one. Double click. So now we open it up. So we're going to sign up. 66326. 66326. Agree. Got it. New device. Is to enter the password. So scan this one with the camera.
Ready to connect. Ready to connect. QR code scanned. Please wait. Setup completed.
Wow, that's pretty good. Oh, it's connected right away. Let's put device name Brandon. Okay. Camera. And let's see. This one. Enable to use. So you type in enable.
Which skill do you want to enable?
So Alexa. Okay. Alexa, show Brandon.
Sorry, cameras don't work on this device.
So all we can do is actually use the app. Take a photo. Hello. All right, you can hear. All right, so we need to put the SD card in there. Okay, so to access the recorded